here's some little recipe for a really healthy desserts from fresh, creamy Greek style yogurt. So spread it over thinly over this nice baking paper. Just spread over some nice currant or sultanas or any other taste that you like on it. We'll go some cranberries on it nicely. It gives it that little nice savory kind of taste. As you could also see the little currant on it, some little roasted almonds to give it a nice, that beautiful shot as well. You can add any fruits that you have, bananas or anything of your taste, and that will go into freezer for a couple of hours. To the freezer, you can also add some of the chocolate chips on it, small pieces of chocolate. Yummy, yeah, my kids love that. And you can also spread some nice chocolate syrup on the top. And I also decided to put some last minute hazelnut chocolate spread on it. If it's one in a blue moon treat, why not? So look at that, so beautifully spread over there. Beautiful. There we go. Cut it into smaller. That's so yummy. Big pieces, beautiful.